Hey viewers, welcome to Engineers View. Here I am back with the promise that I did in the last video that I'll be providing you a free access to all the courses on Pluralsight for one whole month. And this is the time to showcase you the process to do that. Before going to do that, I would definitely request those who don't have Microsoft Outlook account. So please, those who don't have this account, please go and make the account in Microsoft Outlook and come back and see this video. So here we are on the Microsoft Edge and I'm going to type here the Visual Studio login. So there it is, and I'll post you the link directly in the description so you can directly access the link and log in into the Visual Studio. So here is that, and Visual Studio subscription Visual Studio, and I'll be going with that, and here it is. So before going to do this, what you're gonna do is that you have to sign in into your account. So these features will be there and no need to go with these all things. Just sign in is at the rightmost corner and sign in. Your details will be shown here. So if you have a previously logged account, you can go with that, or if it is a new one, go with it. As I am having a new one, I'll go with it. I'm getting the login, and yeah, sign in next, and the password. So previously logged, that's why it went on, and these are the continue, do the continue, and we'll get the login to the particular Visual Studio, and lot more features are there in this. So here it is. So Visual Studio Dev Essentials, and go with the use your benefits, guys. And here the most important part, and here it is. The Visual Studio benefits are there, so here's the benefits. And before going to that, you have to join the Dev Essential program first, and if you join that, then only you will get access to those all things. You can even buy a Visual Studio subscription also. It's good. Pro features are there, but I'll go with the normal one and press continue. It's buffering. Okay, got it. So guys, now let's move on to the Pluralsight. So you can see in the leftmost corner, so that there it is. Get the code, guys. At first I would definitely say just go with it and get the code. Activate option will be shown here, so go and activate to proceed, and here it is. You will directly redirected to the particular Pluralsight website. Fill your all details here. Or affiliated college. So now by just click on that and agree, activate my benefits, and you'll be redeeming. So the site will be redeeming your benefits and you will get access to everything there. And yes, I got it, yo. So as you have got a 1 month trial, you have taken it from the Visual Studio, right? So here they will be showing you so many things related to Visual Studio learning. So you can learn Visual Studio, no problem here. Microsoft Azure is also there, you can learn from here. Moreover, if you are interested in some other topics, learn those. And here, as I'm showing you this machine learning and AI one, there are so many things through which through this I can do anything. And one more thing, guys, that I just forgot to say, that complete your course as soon as possible, because it is only a 30 days period, and if you have completed half in 30 day and if you want to continue it to the next month, then it won't possible in this particular platform. You have to pay for that and you have to subscribe it. So the subscription amount is little bit higher, and I don't say to my viewers to buy that definitely, because if you're getting it free and you're trying to buy it, then there's no matter at all to do these all things. So just go with it and complete it in the 30 days period. And if you want it to do a new course in the next month too, then go with a new Microsoft account and do the same as I did in this video. It's all yours, guys. So there's nothing to say about this, and everything is yours. So enjoy this platform, and please do like, share, and subscribe if you really liked it. And please comment in the below so that I can make more new videos related to it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye, sayonara, and arigatou gozaimashita.